Hi, this is Mike from Elegance Tile. We're down at the Melbourne Home Show and I'd like to take you through our stand, show you some of our exciting new products. One of the mainstays of our stand is this new wood look product called Sequoia. This comes from Portobello in Brazil. It has 64 different faces and represents an old floor from the American Midwest. You can see we have paired it with a custom built vanity out of the same product and paired it with the Memphis White 3D product. See lovely light play and shadows with this product. If we move into the main body of the product of the stand, you'll see that we'll have many different colours in the wood product in the 200 by 1200. We also have a very interesting product from NCIA in Australia. This product's called Black Butt and represents an old floor from Newcastle. You can see that when they pulled the vinyl up, the newspaper was left. If we move over to the right, we have our eclectic mosaics wall. You can see that we have a number of different shapes and sizes with your hexagon, your rhombo and dot, your fan, your mini brick, your herringbone, all the way over to this lovely stretch hexagon over here that comes all the way from Portobello in Brazil. Also have this cube that comes from Turkey. We move to the outside of the stand. We have the lovely Cotto Nero on the floor paired up with the carpet on the wall. Gives a lovely wallpaper effect. Again, we've done a lovely custom made vanity out of the same tile. And on the wall, we have the cottage canela. Lovely washed out beach look. Then we move to the front of the stand. This is the Madame Black 3D. We have another 3D product, the Arpège Gris. We have some loft white deco. We have some lovely bricks, Vivian bricks, the very bold Signac. Have the Stone Pit Sunrise from Italy. We have the Magnolia Chevron from Portobello in Brazil. And this lovely product here, this is the Max Mosaics Moss Opera. This is a lovely half polished effect. If we move over to our play table, you can see we have a number of different shapes and sizes. We have the snake, have some more decoration. We have some more decorative pieces. The Trésor Argent is very bold. The dot. And we have our lovely range of coloured subways from Portobello, the Liverpool range. If you need to know a little bit more, come down and see us at the stand. We're here the whole time. We'd love to help you out.